This video covers the IGCSE Biology Objective 5.1.2 to describe an enzyme from the 2025 CAIE syllabus. So first of all, enzymes are proteins. How do we know this? We've already talked about proteins and the structure of proteins, but enzymes are folded into specific 3D shapes as pictured here. But if you unfold the enzyme and break some of the bonds between some of the sections of the 3D shape, you will actually stretch it out to a chain of amino acids. So that's how we know that it is in fact a protein, because proteins are made up of chains of amino acids. So what do enzymes do? Well, they control metabolic reactions. So what are metabolic reactions? Metabolic reactions come in two forms. One is where we take larger molecules and they get broken down into smaller molecules, plus energy is released from that type of reaction, and enzymes would control that, the larger molecules being broken down into smaller molecules. But also, a second type of metabolic reaction is where we take smaller molecules with some energy in order for the reaction to happen, and those smaller molecules are changed into larger molecules. So both of those are metabolic reactions, and these are chemical reactions that happen in the body cells. As we have previously talked about in terms of the idea of catalyst, enzymes are biological catalysts. So typically in chemistry, a catalyst is a chemical that is used. But enzymes are biological catalysts because they are made up of biological material, that is amino acids. So they speed up the chemical reactions that we have already talked about. They can perform repeatedly over and over again, and they are not changed by the chemical reaction itself. So they can either, as we see on the left-hand animation, take reactants and put them together to form a larger molecule, or as we see on the right, they can take one larger molecule and break it down into smaller components. Again, the enzymes are not changed in any way by doing this process.